Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's Delph tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix blocks not breaking in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, check your game mode. The first step is to make sure you are in a mode that actually allows you to break things. Sometimes the game starts in a way that stops you from destroying the world around you. Press the T key to open your message box and type a command to check your mode. Make sure you are in survival or creative mode rather than adventure mode. Because in some modes, the game turns off your ability to break blocks with your hands. You have to be in the right mode so the game knows it is okay to let you dig. Without this step, you could hit a block forever and it would never disappear. Next, refresh your internet connection. If you are playing with friends online, the game might be slow because your internet is having a hard time talking to the big computer. Stop moving for a moment, or try leaving the world and coming back. Click the button to disconnect, and then click the button to join the world again. It resets the connection between you and the game world. By doing this, you are clearing out any stuck information that was stopping the blocks from breaking. It ensures the game knows exactly where you are and what you are hitting. Next, check your tool strength. Now you need to make sure you are using the right item to break the specific block in front of you. Some blocks are too tough for your bare hands or a weak tool. Look at the block you want to break and pick the right tool from your bag. Use a pickaxe for rocks, an axe for wood, and a shovel for dirt or sand. Because the game has rules about which tools work on which items. By using the correct tool, the game will let the block break much faster. And that's it. To fix blocks not breaking in Minecraft, you must first check that you are in the right game mode. Then, you try leaving and rejoining the world to fix the connection. Next, you make sure you are using the right tool for the job. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.